Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Lil Nas X channel analytics. He has uploaded 18 videos. He now has 12.5 million subscribers with a total view of 3,220,329,633 views. His channel type is music. He created his channel since May 19, 2018. The grade he got is A-. He ranked at 166th in people. Next, the daily subs for Lil Nas is around 26.6k with a daily view of 6,082,798. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 6 million. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $24,000. Then, monthly income will be $720,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $396,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $4,752,000. That is how much Lil Nas earns from YouTube.